Good evening, everybody. This is Taylor with Game Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, September 9th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read. When you're done so, let's move on. Here we got the tick US model. Big thing today, continuation of the cumulative tick above the short-term moving average ribbon. We were talking about yesterday. This is our shortest term signal. It did trigger. We continue to follow this. I know a lot of people on Twitter kind of disbelief of the rally, maybe saying it's a suckers rally and whatnot. But again, we're just kind of trusting our signals, what we've done back tested work on. So again, worked out today. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's not, but we'll take it. So lastly, just rounding things out here, filter tick, more or less flat on the day, new lows to outpace new highs. Long-term moving average ribbon, still inverted, trending lower. So again, that's kind of juxtaposed in the face of the short-term moving average. Cumulative tick signal, like I was talking about yesterday, not all signals like this produce a sustained rally. However, all rallies start with this process, so that's something to keep in mind. Last point that we hit on again is this the shortest term signal, so this can fail quickly intraday. It's important if you're trading the signal that you are in front of the screen, understand risk management, how to implement that. So. Tick ARCX model, again, thing to note, our four main signals are turned off. Short-term signal, again, like the US, this is still triggered, trending higher. If y'all have any more questions on this, feel free to pop in the Discord, ask away. We hit on this quite frequently in the open mics, so yeah, come on in. Here, moving on to the SPY Gamma dashboard, 400, 390. These are our big goalposts we've been talking about for most of the week. Price traded up to 400. So where we had a little bit of intraday sell-off, that's where we closed to. Again, you can see the significance of this level, a lot of liquidity there. Continue to watch, how the structure builds out overhead, if it does at all. If not, I would anticipate more trading between 390 and 400. Here we have our intraday index charts, SPY, IWM, QQQ. The dashed lines, these are just key gamma levels. I got VWAP on here. You can see here kind of how price respected 395 to 400 range we were talking about, respected VWAP pretty well. Again, a lot of good trades to be had today in the room that we discussed. The daily chart, not a ton to say here. Still in the middle of the trading range we've been calling out for a while now. On this time frame, you're kind of in the middle of range, not a ton to do. Again, gamma levels tick continue to guide us on an intraday basis. Lastly, just wanted to hit on a trade that was taken in the room today by myself, actually. So we have 395, 400 key gamma levels, have VWAP overlaid here, just kind of how I like to use the process that we discuss every day. Entry was the move through VWAP and 395, stop was at low of the day. 2 and 3, these were some profits taken. 4 again, this was my final exit. You can see once we broke above VWAP, we trended above it nicely throughout the session between the 1 and the 2 standard deviations, what we call the fast lane. As soon as we lost the fast lane, I took my profits. Not a ton to say here, pretty textbook trade. Another good entry here was actually, so when you have a good move push in the morning, that first retest of VWAP, this is typically a very good risk reward entry. I actually took this signal on a different stock, so I didn't trade this specific instrument, but still was able to capitalize on it. So again, this is just one of the many ways you can use kind of the tools that we talk about every single day here. If you want to learn more, help with your toolbox, help with your process, feel free to come on in. GammaEdge.us is the website, offering a free 2-week trial right now. All the tools turned on. We have open mics Wednesday and Sunday for y'all to come ask any questions you want. We have various presentations as well. GammaEdges.us is our Twitter. Would appreciate a like and subscribe. Helps us with the algos. Again, hope you all getting value out of this. So good luck tomorrow. Have a good weekend. I'll be talking to you all Sunday night, Monday. Bye.